My name is Jeff Affronti with FSD Financial Services. Normally, I do articles when I get interesting questions or scenarios regarding fixed annuities. But I thought we'd try video for once. So this is our first shot at video, and this particular one will be called The Question to Ask. So the question asked today was, what is a quality 3-year MYGA for a 79-year-old? Well, what do we do? So what I did is, to answer this question, is we went online, and first thing I did is find bankrate.com has great information regarding CD rates. So I went on there and asked for the best 3-year CD rates. Came up with 0.85 from this Federal Credit Union I've never heard of. None of these banks I've really heard of. That doesn't mean anything. But we're going to use the best rate, 0.85%, as the rate to compare regarding an annuity. This particular client dislikes the stock market. This client is very disappointed with these low interest rates the bank is offering. I think their current renewal rate was like 0.2%. So coming off another CD. So this client's not happy. Reached out to the agent. The agent asked for a quality 3-year. First thing we did is run this, and I did a comparison. 0.85% versus a 2%, which is pretty much available on fixed annuities right now. It's really cool. You can just see, it's good to show the clients actual dollars. That's what we're talking about here, real money. So as you can see here, clearly you're making $2,571 on your $100,000 over 3 years at 0.85. You compare that to $6,120 here on your annuity. And we're not even taking into the tax deferral, the taxes, all that. Just straight up money, assuming they both just grow equally, you're making more money. These are dinky town calculators. They're really great. If you guys want, you can go on and use them. They're free calculators. You can punch in a bunch of different scenarios, flex premiums, all that good stuff. I really like this part right here. It's very simple. Mr. Client, if you give us $100,000 at a rate of 2%, you'll earn $3,549 more than if you went to the top bank rate CD at 0.85%. So that's over $10,000 in 3 years on your 100 grand. So on 500 grand, that's $50,000, right? So that's a lot of money just for making a decision to go from one savings vehicle to another. So we scroll down. This is the Dinky Town calculator. Really cool. I really like it. So next, what I did is I ran an illustration, and we went with Liberty Bankers Life. They were recently upgraded to an A- from AM Best. Just real quick on this company, they've been doing outstanding from a B- rating when we picked them up over a dozen years ago, probably closer to 15 years ago. And now they're A-, looking to continue to grow. Quality people, quality company. I definitely think you should take a look at them. Give me a call. I know everything there is about them. I've been working with them the whole time. Really good company. This particular product is called their Bankers 3 product. It is a client-friendly product. What I mean by client-friendly is it has a full death benefit. It offers withdrawals. It has annuitization. All this good stuff built in without adding anything to the rate or subtracting really anything from the rate. So you get all this built in, accumulated withdrawals. So no matter how much money, so let's scroll through this illustration real quick before I get ahead of myself. This is the basic page, front page, little disclosures. Second place, it'll go through. These are your terms. Great to refer back to if you have any questions in the actual illustration page. So you're looking here. This lays out the guaranteed values and projected values. Of course, on a MYGA, these should match, right, for the first 3 years, and they do. You see 106 accumulated, 106. This is your final value at the end of 3 years, 106, 120. This one has no 30-day window, so you see in year 4 they start matching off your surrenders and everything, right? This column, the minimum guaranteed surrender column, real quick, I'll go through this. This is the worst case scenario. Should you get the lowest rate offered, the biggest surrender, and the biggest MVA, it can never bring you below this minimum guaranteed value. So just a strong guarantee really doesn't come into play unless it's surrendered. Hold it for the 3 years. You won't wind up less than the 106, 120. It's very clear. So let's move on from that. So that's the illustration. Very simple, clean product. Minimum guarantee after the 3 years is 1. So basically it's a savings account at 1%, no 30-day window. 30-day windows are annoying to people. Especially at 82, you want to have to make a decision in a certain period of time, 30 days. You know, rates are going to go up, rates are going to go down. So this gives you a little time where you can take some of the money out, leave some of it at 1. You got a ton of features without these 30-day windows. So FYI, be careful of your 30-day windows. More client-friendlies will have a 0% surrender, as you see right here. Surrender charge 8 in year 1, 7 in year 2, 3 in year 6. In years 4 plus, there's no surrender charge. So this is a very client-friendly product, available in all states, I believe, except New York. Alabama and Delaware might have a different parent company. These are some hypothetical values if you moved your annuitization. This is a great feature. All deferred annuity contracts used to offer this is annuitization. So at year 10, if this guy's 89, it gives you the minimum life only contract or life in 10 annuitization values. They're not great if you're looking for income, but it's in there. It's a guarantee. It's an underlying guarantee in the contract. As we move on here, this is the disclosure form here. It's certainly hidden. In the brochure, it'll go through the product. It's great to leave with the client. Goes through your surrender charge here and your liquidity and how it all works. Other features, this thing does have a nursing home benefit. If after the first year you can withdraw up to 50% of the value if you're confined to a nursing home, the 90 consecutive days. Has a disability benefit, a terminal illness benefit. So that's great for a 79-year-old. You never know what might happen there. So that's the Liberty Bankers 3. We found that to be a quality product. Again, Liberty Bankers is A- rated by AM Best. We really like them. If you have any other questions regarding this policy, this contract, or any other 3 years, let me know. I'd be happy to run any comparisons on the bank rates, other CD rates. This is great for people coming out of surrender and company offering you a new rate. You can do a comparison, all that good stuff. So in the long run, if you guys need anything, give me a holler. If you have any questions you'd like answered via video, please drop me a comment in the section, like my video, all that good stuff people say in videos. And thanks for watching. Jeff Affronti, FSD Financial, annuityexperts.com. See you next time.